Okay, so this is a first for me. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I received this from Ford Motor Company. It's a swag box. So I'm not sure what's even in it. Let's find out what Ford could send me here. See, the box actually wasn't even sealed when it was delivered. So, oh, that's awesome. Let's check this out. Oh, it's like a little chest, a little box. 2021 F-150. That's really cool. This is like a custom box. I've never actually seen anything like this from Ford. Let's open it up, see what's in it. Okay. Interesting. It's a portable charger. How cool. That's actually really cool though. It's got Built Ford Tough on it. I've never seen that from Ford before. This is so cool. Here's a little QR code if you want to scan it. Let's check this out. But yeah, this, like I said, this was actually sent to me from Ford Motor Company. Just as like a little swag box. Let's see. Oh, that's just a little cable and stuff for that. I don't know if there's anything else in here or not. It doesn't appear so because I can't really see. Unless you kind of break the glue seal on there. Seemed like that was about it. But this is, like I said, again, this is actually really cool. I've never actually seen it, you know, like a gift like this from Ford Motor Company before. And I mean, you could tell this is like custom and stuff. I mean, the craftsmanship of the box and everything, and the printing on it. Let's see if there's anything on the other side. Oh, yeah. That is so cool, though. If any Ford executives are actually watching this, which, I mean, I doubt it, but thank you very much. This has been such a cool swag box. Totally unexpected. Thank you so much.